Alright guys, yeah, this came today. I don't know what it is, so that's why it's an unexpected unboxing. Though, I might have an idea. So, if we're ready, let's go. A base. Both for a Homeboy model HAOF12R. Yeah. So I have an idea. Out of the box. Yeah. Well, let's put this together and we'll take a look at it. Yep, here it is, out of the box. And the blades. Yeah, because the blades were bent and I'm going to need to clean it up, but I figured, give it a go. And yes, it is kind of a green, avocado greenish. And, well, you know what? This is time for a quick story. I mean, I had one like this. In fact, it was the first generation of the Holmes Heritage Collection, where it looked like something from like the 1940s, except the model I had did not have metal blades. It was a painted silver plastic bladed one with the 3 blades. I don't know what happened to that, and quite frankly, I don't really care. And then I saw these off and on at the Walmart, didn't get them, and I saw this, and I figured I may as well grab it. I was the first and only bidder, so yay me. Yeah. Well, I ran long enough, so here's high. Don't want to see the escalator yet. It moves a little bit of a breeze, but I might have to tweak the thing a bit. Medium. Low. Well. So yeah, I guess that's that. The unboxing and show and tell of this. I found out it's an 0607 model Homeboy HAOF12R. I'm really going to have to start asking myself why. Why do I need this? Why am I going to... What will it... I don't know. there's going to be a lot of questions that will never be answered. So, yeah. So I guess until next time, wherever it is, I'm Eskie, thanks for watching. And the comment box is open.